Are you looking for a real tool? Because I'm the only tool you'll ever need. I have everything. Are pesky balloons getting in the way of your incredible ceiling view? Come over to the multi-tool party. It's poppin'. Use it as a coat rack. Man, I wish I had a guitar pick. Oh wait, I have my multi-tool. Guitar pick or toothpick. It works as both. Is your alarm clock not working? Well, now it is! Is your life not worth living anymore? Use the multi-tool. So come on down to Breyer's Hardwood Carpeting, Screwdrivers, and everything else. It's electric! So come buy Breyer's tools.
We do not connote jamming multi-tool into an electrical outlet. Results may vary, depending on whether or not you paid your electric bill. Batteries not included.